I fell in love with the unit that I'm working in the very first day that I walked in there. The people were wonderful. The nurses were especially kind. They were considerate, and I felt that there was something really special about the place. The nurse residency program for me is perfect because I'm a new graduate nurse. The educators are great, and for me, it's allowing me to kind of ease into my role as a member of the nursing team. I'd recommend the nurse residency program to anybody who's new to nursing but really cares about people. Because I think there's something that I've found here at AdventHealth Redmond that's just really special. I've been really impressed by the patient focus of all the nurses here at AdventHealth. They really care about the patient holistically. They're interested in both their physical, their mental, and their spiritual health. And I think that's something that you don't find everywhere. For me, to be here as a nurse resident at AdventHealth Redmond is a real blessing. And for anyone who believes like I do that nursing is a calling, I would really recommend it. I couldn't be happier with my choice than to be here at AdventHealth Redmond.